issues at time of boot processing. Okay. So different issues. First of all, what is the first point of boot processing is power on self-test. Actually, I didn't add one more point, so I have to add that point first is power on the system. First is power on the system, right? Yeah, this part we'll see first, power on the system. So this is my computer and there is a power button, right? So this is the power supply from outside. Here for laptop is little different. Okay. This is SMPS. SMPS power supply is connected to your motherboard. Okay, and there is a power button is connected to your motherboard. So like this, it is connected. So this is SMPS. I have written very worst way. Okay, so this is SMPS. Okay, motherboard. Right. And this is SMPS to motherboard power connection, CPU power connection, like that. See the power connectivity first. And from here, front panel power button connection up to only power. Next is main power supply. Main power supply. Okay. You press the power button. System is not powering on. System is not powering on. Okay. You know, when I was in my diploma at that time, troubleshooting model is there. That is always start with the power supply connectivity. But that models are gone. That models is not useful. It is. That model only for power connection pattern. But different types of errors, different types of things depends upon what kind of issue you are getting, guys. Based on that, you have to think where to start investigate about the issue. Okay. But this one is starting one. It's like you power on your system. So what happened? System is not powering on. So where can be the possibilities are there? Probable causes. What are the first probable causes? Maybe power supply is gone. Check the main power supply. Check the main power supply. Okay. In home, do you have a power supply or not? Next is at this plug, you are getting a power supply or not. First is main power supply is there or not. Check the cable. Power cable. Power cord is there. Maybe power cord is having some loose connectivity or maybe not working. Possibility is there. So check the cable or use some different cables. Stop that one. Next is check the SMPS. SMPS is working on that. SMPS is working on that. Check the connectivity, SMPS to motherboard connectivity. Check the SMPS to motherboard connectivity. Remove it and reinsert it back. Check the front panel connection. Front panel on motherboard to front panel connection. Check this connection. And this power button also. Sometimes power button is not working. That time also you are getting a power. Okay. So this is different place you have to check it. Again, you have to check the SMPS. SMPS. I told SMPS, but I didn't check mark. I went to check mark right now, right? So why I went to last, I will say. Okay. So you have to check the connectivities. All the connectivities are good or bad. And check the SMPS. How to check SMPS? This cable in this, you are getting this complete cable, 24 pins are there. So one of the wire pin, so you go to this, SMPS, the 24 pin connector is there now in the SMPS. There is a green color wire also there. Green color wire. So green color wire connecting pin is also there. Green color wire connected pin. And there is a black color wires also there. Lot of black wires are there, but green is only one. Okay. This is actually power on one. So take some cable. Take some cable. So make sure that is Your main power supply is connected and back end, this power card is connected. Don't switch on anything. Create a short between this. Take a one small wire, normal wire, okay, electrical wire. Okay, create a short between them and power on this main power supply. If SMPS backside fan is running, means SMPS is working. Okay, use your digital multimeter. Try to check this 12 volts, minus 12 volts, plus 5 volts, 3.3 volts. So getting on that. That's it. So SMPS running means up to SMPS, no problem. Maybe this connection issue, maybe issue at this connection side, or maybe issue at this connection side, or issue at power button side, maybe issue at motherboard side also there. Okay. So we have to filter out where is the issue. Then we have to understand to find it. Okay. This is when you power on your system, system is not powering on. Different places you have to check it. And also possible check the SMPS. This is for desktop purpose. Laptops are look like different, right? This is a laptop. Laptop having two power sources. One is it contains a battery. Another one is charger. Charger is also there, right? Main power supply. So main power supply connected to charger, charger to your laptop, and battery get charges. If battery having a power supply means, of course, no need of charger connectivity. If you don't connect a charger also, with the battery help, we can able to power on it. So you power on your laptop, your laptop is not powering on. So one reason is battery is dead. One reason is battery is dead. Then connect a charger and try again. Still powering is not on. Check the charger. Charger LED is blinking or not. Main power supply, main supply is there or not. Okay. This pin, sometimes nowadays, even this, my laptop, okay, got a power pin connection problem, loose connectivity. In case of your main power supply connection pin having a problem, so your charger is working for other laptops also, but only for your laptop you are getting a problem. It may be a pin issue. So go to that repairing shop, okay, technician. So he'll going to change the pin, okay. He'll going to check the pin and he will change the pin. It is cost around 200 to 300, 500 rupees cost only. You will going to change the pin, okay. So charging part, okay. If it is charger works, battery charges. Battery having a power supply, you can able to power on it. Battery is not working, but still charger is working, pin is good. Also, you can able to power on it. Okay. Battery, charger, both are good, but still not powering on. Means button issue. Button, power button is issue. Maybe button failure or button connected to the board, your motherboard, maybe having an issue. So you have to change that one. Okay. So this is about your power related. Power on your system. System is not powering on. So we have to check it from main power supply, chargers, SMPS, power buttons, and connections. Okay. Guys, understand first issue, power on system issue. That's okay. Now you power on the system. Power supply is there. No problem. You power on your system. So immediately power LED is blinking. Okay. So system, it is received a power supply. That power is distributed to your motherboard connected components, and all other components will get a power supply. Okay. So system testing by this distribution of power only, system will test. It is power on self test. In power on self test, it is checked all primary components. If For our self-test is successful, it go for the next step. But how you know it is successful or failure? How you will know? Things are like this. For our self-test, post is success. It will indicate with a one single beep sound. Single beep sound. Exactly say we'll go for the last point only. Easy to understand is something on screen. On screen you will see something. Maybe a BIOS logo, some error, Windows logo, okay, some voice loading kind of something on your screen. It can be error also, okay. Okay. It meaning is post is successful. Okay. Other than that one, other than that indication, you can hear about a beep sound. In generally on motherboards, yeah, what is this eMMC? In your mobile phone, where your internal memory data stores inside your mobile phone in this chips only. I think you I told that one, or maybe okay. BIOS speaker. Okay. So these speakers, olden days we use this type of speakers. Nowadays we are using this buzzer type of speakers. These speakers is inserted on your motherboard. It's generating a beep sound for getting a beep sound. Okay. If it is there, and definitely you can able to hear single beep sound. You can able to hear single beep sound. Okay. No beep means speaker is not there. That's why you're not hearing any beep sound. Speaker is there, you will hear the single beep sound. First point. Second, the keyboard LEDs. Okay. Your keyboard on the desktop, you have a keyboard, right? This keyboards having three LEDs, num lock, cap lock, scroll lock, three LEDs are there. These three LEDs blink once. Blink once. So when you power on your system, these three LEDs will blink once. Meaning is post is successful. Power LED is blinking as well as hard disk LED is also blinking. Means post is successful. So on monitor you are seeing something. Means post is successful. All these indications are for post is success or not. Post success means all your primary components, CPU, RAM, motherboard related issues are not there. Not there. Okay. Post is successful. Understand guys, post success. Hmm? You see, post failure. What is post for and self-test? It check the all primary components working on it. Any primary component is not working. There may be RAM failure, CPU failure, hard disk power supply related issues, motherboard power supply distribution related issues, motherboard chipset related issues are there. Okay, or some graphic card related on motherboard kind of components. Okay, if it is there, post will be failure. CPU not working, post failure. RAM not working, post failure. RAM lose connection, post failure. Okay, how you will understand? The post is failure. No beep sounds, meaning is no beep sound means no speaker. If speaker is there, you may hear multiple beep sounds. Continue, long, short kind of beep sound you will hear. Depends upon BIOS manufacturers. These beep sounds are there. This table indicating a different common beep sound kind of thing. Like a one short beep you hear, PJ is good, that memory everything is good. Okay. One continuous beep followed by two short beep means one continuous beep and two short beep means no memory detected means RAM related issue. One continuous beep followed by three beep sounds One continuous beep followed by 3 beep sounds. VGA related means memory, graphical memory related issues. One continuous beep followed by 4 short beeps. Hardware components failure means on motherboard some component is failure. Okay, that is a beep indication to understand where is the issue. When you are hearing continuous beep sound, means there is an issue in your laptop. Next, important one. You will see the blank screen or black screen, means the entire screen is completely black. And you check it, monitor LED is blinking. Monitor power LED is blinking, means monitor is on. Monitor is off, is that is different. Okay, monitor is on, but nothing on the screen. Not even a no signal. No signal error is there. If in case connectivity, data cable connectivity is problem is there, no signal is there. No signal is not there. Nothing on the screen. Okay. No signal error is also not showing. No errors. No signal error or no errors. Okay. Nothing on the screen. Hard disk LED is not blinking. Keyboard LEDs are not blinking. Keyboard LED also not blinked once. So this all indication is post failure. Post failure can be related to CPU or VGA or your motherboard on motherboard chipset related, or maybe your RAM related issues. Understand guys, post failure. Okay, good. So there is a postcards. Postcards. What is this postcard? Your BIOS postcards. So these postcards, generally beep indications will understand where is an issue. Most of the people don't think anything, they will check on the RAM only. Generally, we blame on the RAM. But it may be another issue. We don't know yet. So for that confirmation, we use this kind of postcards. We insert these postcards inside in the motherboard itself. We insert these postcards into your motherboard. So it shows some indications like this. It shows this type of LEDs. Okay. LED blinking, some numbers, some letters, okay, certain type of LEDs, okay. These things will represent of certain issue, okay. So this, based on this, there is a document is there. So if you are getting this kind of error number, maybe if you are seeing any induction stoves, if you put something on the thing, means not a steel one, you put some different material on your induction stove, it shows error incompatibility, some number, okay, error number it shows, incompatible blend, overheating, and nothing is placed. So like that, it shows some error. Same way, these postcards will show some numbers. So each numbers, each LED indications for what kind of issue this currently motherboard is facing. It can be RAM related, processor related, motherboard chipset related, some IO devices connection related, chipset related, like that we can understand. So they analyze the PC related things. Okay. They analyze the related information and then they troubleshooting according to it. For us, we don't that post because we are not a hardware troubleshooting guys. We should know the information for supporting purpose or suggestion purpose. Really, we don't open any motherboard or things, we don't do it. But we should know it, okay, because we are service desk analyst. So whatever it is, hardware related or network related, server related, whatever that is, but we should know based on what project we are involved for first, okay. And we will suggest like this is the way you have to check it. This is maybe this is an issue. Based on that, you will send a technician to them, or maybe you will guide a technician to how to resolve it. Okay. We don't do that. We don't insert any post guide. We are not desktop support engineers also. We are service desk engineers. Yes.
It's just that, so we don't nowadays most of us,
Once.
but if you want to have a meeting or.
Okay. So next is nowadays on motherboard itself, already I showed this one, right? On motherboard itself, we are getting this type of LED indications. What is it? DRAM LED is blinking in this picture. It means RAM related issues. Okay. CPU LED is blinking, CPU related issues. VGA is blinking means CPU does not contain video memory or your graphic card related issues. Boot LED is blinking means your hard disk is not connected or hard disk failure issues. Okay. So these indications will tell you, so where is the issue also. Okay. Guys, in generally I'm talking, if you got blank screen or black screen error, nothing on a monitor, no hard disk LEDs and no keyboard LED blinking, continuous beep sounds, indicating post failure. Most of the post failures because of RAM only, most of the time. This is a technician point, okay? So what you have to do, remove the cabin or laptop or cabin, remove the cabin, remove the RAM, clean the RAM edges and insert the RAM back and try again. Okay, still not working, cross verify the RAM and make sure it is working. So this is the troubleshooting. Okay, understand guys, post failure troubleshooting. Post.
Understand.
Okay. Yeah. Next, you power on your system. You press the power button. On the screen, it is showing boot device not found. On the screen, it is showing like this, boot device not found. Boot device not found. Yeah, it is getting an error on the screen. On screen, you are getting an error means, what is the first one? Power related issues are not there. Post related issues are not there. Post is successful. You are getting error. Already I told, post failure means nothing on the screen. Something on the screen, even error is there. Means post is successful. RAM is good, processor is good, motherboard is good. Okay. So that is good. But you are getting a device not found, boot device not found, or operating system is not found. Operating system is not found. So you are getting this kind of error. Meaning is post is successful, post problem is not there. Thing is, maybe your hard disk is having a problem. Maybe your hard disk having a problem. Hard disk having a problem. So maybe your hard disk is not working or not connected properly. Maybe your operating system is corrupted. In hard disk, your operating system is corrupted. So bootable device not found, operating system not found, bootable device unable to find bootable device, and boot MGR missing kind of stuff. In general, it is your hard disk is failure or loose connection or no connection. Okay, or data cable, hard disk to motherboard connection cable is not working, or your OS is corrupted. So you have to check it. You have to check. Go to the BIOS settings. Go to the BIOS settings. In the BIOS settings, try to find your hard disk related details. Go to the BIOS settings. Check for the hard disk details. See how much it is important. Check for the hard disk details. In BIOS, hard disk is showing, means hard disk is good. Means it is operating system related issues. In BIOS, hard disk is not showing. Then check for the loose connection, change the data cable, check the hard disk with the cross verification, connect with a different system. As a secondary disk connected to different system, make sure that is your hard disk is working or not. Okay. So in BIOS, hard disk is showing means hard disk is working. Not showing means it may be loose connection or data cable having a problem. So you have to cross verify with other system. Okay. Or other cables disconnected, reconnecting again. So different ways you have to test it to make sure hard disk is working or completely failure. Okay. So you have to confirm that hard disk is working or failure. Okay. The first is check the hard disk. Okay. Hard disk is available. Hard disk is working means voice related issue. Hard disk not working, nothing to do it. Hard disk is not at all working. Purchase a new hard disk, replace the hard disk, install the operating system. Okay. So hard disk is not showing means check the hard disk connections, cross verify, nothing works, replace the hard disk. Again, you got a portable device not found, operating system not found, unable to find portable device means hard disk may not working. Confirm your hard disk, okay, using BIOS settings, checking the connectivity, loose connectivities, cross verify with other systems and all, you have to confirm it. If not working, you have to replace the new hard disk. If you have a system image backup, go to the control panel. Inside your control panel, you can see backup and restore. In this one, this is a system image backup. It will take your backup of data, means your operating system, other supporting drives, and your profile data into the backup location. Okay. It will take your operating system, your applications, settings, okay, your profile data into the backup location as an image. In case of your operating system is corrupted or hard disk is corrupted, we can restore it from that backup. Generally, we don't do it. Okay, generally we don't do it, but in some organization, they will take their system's image backups. Okay. So what is the purpose of this image backup? In case of hard disk or operating system is completely corrupted, we can restore it from that backup. Okay. If you have it, you can restore into your hard disk, new hard disk. Okay. Otherwise, nothing to do it. Just install the operating system, install your applications, drivers, do the settings, and start working on it. Okay. Nothing to do because hard disk is failure means you can't do anything. In general, I'm talking. Okay. Guys, understand hard disk is not working.
Yes, sir.
Next, in case on your screen you are getting boot MGR is corrupted. Sometimes boot MGR file is corrupted, bootloader file is corrupted also. Sometimes it will show us boot MGR is corrupted, bootable device not found, operating system is not found. Your hard disk is working, but OS related. Maybe boot MGR is corrupted. Maybe your operating system main loading files are corrupted. Okay. So in that cases, what you do, boot MGR related issues. So what you do in a older system, generally like Windows 7 time, wait time, what we will do in 7 and 8 also. We'll insert a installation disk. Like CD install, voice CD will insert it, boot with the CD-ROM, and we'll go to the repair options from that installation disk. We can go to repair options. we choose some command prompt and we'll copy this boot mgr file to C drive. We'll copy the boot mgr file from your CD-ROM to your C drive. So if it is in C drive, original one is corrupted. So what we are doing, we're replacing it. Okay, we're replacing with the, that is one troubleshooting. We done that one practically. Nowadays, we are not getting that issues. That's why we are not doing. Okay. In Windows 10 onwards, we are getting these troubleshooting options, advanced options like it. So what you can do, you can try to do the startup repair. Actually, in Windows 10 onwards, most of the issues will be repaired by Windows 10 itself. Windows 10 and Windows 11, this type of boot MGR related issues are automatically repairing it. Otherwise, you have to restart your PC multiple times, then it will take you to the troubleshooting options. There are advanced options, select repair options. Okay. Again, if it is a hard disk is working, voice related, try to do startup repairs, try to do startup repairs in the inside, and or you can try reset this PC may work. If voice is corrupted, reset PC may work. Or if you have a system image backup, then restore it. System image backup is there, then restore it. Or reinstall the OS is another option. Hard disk is not working, nothing to do it. If you have system image backup, restore it. Otherwise, install the operating system. Means these are the options. Either do this one, or do this one, or do this one, or do this one. Okay. These are the options. Okay. This is hard disk kind of issues. It means when you power on your system, bootable device not found, hard disk related issue, or operating system is corrupted. Okay. Understand guys this part? Bootable device not found, how to troubleshoot.
Yes, sir.
Very okay. Thing is like a Windows keep loading error. You power on your system, you power on your system, and you got a Windows logo on the screen. Some loading symbol is showing. This part maybe at least some people got experienced here. Okay. So Windows logo is showing and loading. Maybe sometimes it will take time to load, guys. It will take time, so don't worry. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Sometimes it will take. Sometimes because of recent updates or backend updates installations are already updated, but it is clean up the updates later. In that time also it will take time, so don't worry about it. But too much time it will take, like a 2 hours, 3 hours, nothing, no options. So what we can do? So one is an option is keep power off, like a long press the power button, it power off your system, again power it on, again power it off, again power it on. Right. So first time you power off and you power on it, again it may be works next time. Press the long button, press long, power button, press long button, so then it is power off, completely off. Then you power on, maybe it is working fine. Not working, same problem. Do it 2-3 times, 2-3 times. What happened? Your system will take you to this options, troubleshoot options. I think we are missing that one. Now, actually, before this, yeah, before this troubleshoot, there is one screen. Okay. Yeah. So generally it will take like what you want to do, continue kind of stuff. In that screen, you have to select troubleshoot. In that troubleshoot, you have to select advanced options. So in the advanced options, you have to select startup repair. The startup repair your startup files and all. Then after that, you will able to load your operating system properly. Maybe startup column is there. That's it is your Windows is showing keep loading symbol. Windows keep loading means okay, restart multiple times or if you have some repair options like you can use if you have your operating system um, media means CD, DVD or pen drive OS is there, you can go to repair options. If you have a repair disk, you can go to repair options. There you can choose this troubleshoot, advance and startup repair. So that will resolve your issues. Okay. Guys, understand what is Windows keep loading, portable device not found, put MGR missing, black screen or blank screen. Hmm? So these are the direct lines I have written. What it is? You got a blank screen or a black screen. Nothing on the screen, not even an error. No beep sound, continuous beep sound, no keyboard LED like different indications. It is post failure. Okay. In generally, check the RAM connectivity, dust. Okay. Clean up the RAM. Dust means clean up the RAM. Cross verify RAM working or not. Okay. Other words is use postcard or on motherboard BIOS LED status to know which component is issue it is. The CPU or DRAM, VGA or boot related. Okay. Boot device not found, no boot device, no boot disk, operating system not found, boot MGR missing. So generally voice in hard disk or SSD. Check hard disk or SSD working or not. If hard disk is not working, replace the hard disk. Restore system image backup if available or install the OS. Nothing to do. Hard disk is working means it's a voice related issue. Voice is corrupted or bootable files are corrupted. Example boot MGR is right. So you can use repair disk or installation disk to boot the system. Go to repair options or you can go to troubleshoot, advanced options and startup repairs. You can use reset this PC options. You can see reset this PC option in case of voice is corrupted and select a key files kind of stuff. Or you can use system restoration image backup if available or install the operating system. Okay. What is this repair disk? The repair disk also you can able to create yourself. Go to the control panel, insert a CD in your system. CD is required, right? Just a CD is enough. Internal or external CD-ROM is okay, external CD-ROM chance. Click on this backup and restore. Select repair disk. Okay, it's required CD DVD. The writer is required and simple CD is required. And if you are inserted, click on here, click on the create disk. So what happened for booting system required bootable files and some repairing files also loaded into this image. Okay, to this CD. So next time you are getting an issue, you can insert the CD and go to the repair options and do some repairing kind of stuff. Of course, one more is there that is called Microsoft Diagnostic kind of options. This one is also there for repairing purpose. Okay, guys. completed your boot processing, issues at booting time. Just take a 10 minutes. Then we'll see if system is slow, what to do, what are the things we can able to do if system is slower. This is we'll going to complete today. Only small points, important points only there. It take half an hour time. So take 5 minutes only. Just relax and listen.